From one small kernel to America's favorite snack at massive scale. Snapping rolls, ears torn from stalks thousands per minute. Grain tanks emptying on the move. Non-stop, all day long. Dozens of trucks dumping something simultaneously. The intake never stops. Hard kernels cascading. Tons arriving every few minutes. Grain elevated and routed to silos holding millions of bushels. Millions of bushels in storage, the reserve feeding the factory year-round. 12 cleaning lines running together. Millions of kernels cleaned every hour. Clean kernels stored and ready, feeding the popping lines continuously. Tons of oil heated and ready, the medium that pops every kernel. Salt, butter, cheese, caramel. Flavors prepared by the ton. The popping hall, dozens of machines popping millions of kernels simultaneously. Kernels fed continuously, thousands entering the hot oil every second. 180 degrees. Steam explodes the kernel to 50 times its size. A continuous waterfall of popcorn, millions of pieces every minute. An ocean of fresh popcorn, moving across the factory floor continuously. Unpopped kernels removed. Every piece must be perfectly popped. Rapidly cooled from 180 degrees to room temperature in minutes. Butter and salt coating every piece inside massive rotating drums. Vivid orange cheese powder coating. Vivid orange cheese powder coating. A continuous stream of cheddar popcorn. Hot caramel coating every kernel. Rich, glossy, golden brown. Baked to a crispy caramel shell, the oven setting every coating. Human taste panels, the final judge of every batch. Dozens of weighers portioning simultaneously. Perfect weight every single time. Dozens of lines filling simultaneously. Thousands of bags sealed every minute. Party-size bags filling non-stop for every household in America. Millions of microwave bags per day. Kernels, butter, salt, sealed inside.